Hi guys, once again I'm here from Top Mobiles with a new repair. Before starting the repair, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel below. So today I'm just gonna teach you how to replace the LCD screen of Samsung S9 Plus. That's Samsung S9 Plus. The LCD is faulty, so today we're just gonna replace the LCD screen. So let's see how it is. So first of all, you have to give the heat on equal patterns on the back side door of the Samsung S9 Plus. Make sure you give equally heat, and then you just need to lift the back door. Then you need to take out the SIM slot, unscrew the phone. As you can see guys, we are giving heat in the equal patterns on the four sides. So make sure you guys give the heat on equal patterns, not just on one side, all four sides, so that it just hits from all sides. Make sure you guys give the heat from 3 to 6 regular patterns. And once again, if you're not sure, if you're not confident to do this, please don't do this at home. Make sure you take it to a specialist. And if you want to do it from me, just bring it at Top Mobile Repairs in the Grimsby Market. I'll just check now. As you can see guys, I have started from the side, so just slowly, and there you go. The glass is almost open, and from here the sensor will be connected, so make sure you just disconnect it. Here you go, it's just disconnected. As you can see, it's just all open. So I've just taken out the SIM slot, which is here. Now I will unscrew all this part. We'll take out the LCD part and put it right. So let's start the unscrewing the back of the phone. Almost upper part is done, so just now the bottom part is left. Just 3 more screws and it's done. Okay, got all the screws are done. As you can see, all the screws I've taken out. Now we will just try to lift these parts up. Here you got. This is the battery upper part, just on. Now I'll try to lift this bottom part. Here you got. This one also. So here we will disconnect the LCD. Here we will disconnect the battery, and we will take this unscrew from here, and we will put this on the other LCD. And there are two more screws near the audio jack which you need to unscrew. Here you go. And here we go. That's all done. So just try this side, see how it is. So there is a flex which you need to take out. It's this one. These ones needs to go out, right, and then this one is gone. You can see it, guys. I've just taken out this bolt very slightly. This all complete part will come. You will just take from here, like here. I'll put straight away to the other phone. Then we'll have to take the battery as well. So first, the little parts which are here, which can easily be placed over, are these top cameras. You just take these ones first. There you go. Yeah, and then you need to take this vibrator off also. Now I'll just give a little bit heat over here. I'll take the vibrator out. It's because already they're in there. So you need to take this flux from here, which is already in there, and this bit. There you go. Right. Just put it over here, which is the front flashlights. Just press a little bit and then put this cover on top. There you go, I've done it. So I'm doing this part, right? These sides done, this part done. Now you need to take out the vibrator. Here you go. Just put it over here. So these part down here, speakers already there. Flashlight is done. Right. Here's already connected. Just need to put the battery here, then the other parts. That's it. Right guys, the battery is very easy lifting from here, so it's not a big job for the battery. It's done. Now I will put the bottom parts. Here you go. Right. So from the top I will start from here. Just take care of the cables. Right guys, so just make sure you check out the cables there. One is just here, which I will just take out, rest will be alright. Here you go. And then from this side, just take care. Here you go. Right. As you can see, I've just here. Here you go. Here you got both top cameras done. Now here this cable on the top done. These all done. Now this side, if you look here, here you go. This one is done. So if you just connect this one here, this one is done. This one done. Now from the bottom, just look at the side. This side is done. Now just press it here. Here you go. That's it. This one is done. And now we'll, here you go. Charging port, I will just slightly pull it down. Put this one here. This one here. Here you go. And these ones done. Right. So here you go. Just the audio jack is left. I will just try to pull it down here. Here you go, it's done. And it's plugged in. So before screwing, we will just connect the battery and we will test either it works or not. As you can see guys, this is not an easy one, the Samsung S9 Plus. So make sure you guys are confident enough to do this. Here you go, I've just connected the battery, so I'll just try now to turn on whether it works or not. Here you go guys, LCD is coming up. So let's see. This is the old one. I will just put this aside as this is done now. I'm just checking the pattern whether it's working. So guys, it's all working. I'll just power it off. So as you can see, it's all working. So I'll just unplug the battery now. I will try to put back all the screws and then we'll carry on. So from here it was I started, all was for here. So these two were audio jacks. Here you go. I'm just putting back the screws on the board and the maggot, and these two were for the charging ports. This one was for here and side one. Here you go guys. Right. So hold on. Now we will put back the covers and then there you go, bottom part, which was, what was it, like here. Here you go, this was here. So I will start putting the screws on also here. Now about the top part guys, top cover, which was covering the battery side and the here you go, this way. So we are putting back the screws on the top part of the battery cover. Alright guys, not more left. So we have put back the screws almost all. This is done, this is done. So all screwed back on. Now final thing is we have to put this one back cover. This is already tape. I'll just give a little bit heat and then we'll connect this sensor. We'll put it back. Hey good guys, so first I will connect this sensor thing here. I have to connect the sensor thing, then I will try to put it back. This is a little bit tricky, so I have to cover it here because this is so here. Hey good guys, I've connected the sensors now, success, and then slightly press the back cover, just done. If you want you can put the rubber bands on. So it's all done. I'm just trying to power on. Here you go, it's done. Right guys, as you can see it's all working. Samsung S9 Plus is done all. So today we have just learned how to replace the LCD screen of Samsung S9 Plus. So I hope you like the repair. If you like the repair, please like and share the video and comment below. Make sure you subscribe the channel for the more repairs. Till the new repair.